Welcome everyone to the Orlando channel, where riding and two wheels is always an adventure. Yeah, how do you turn it on? Just the front?
Front and bottom button together. Just touch them like once and it'll turn on. Together, you gotta do it together.
There it is. Man, that's loud.
No, I got a different
I'm gonna head on over. I gotta get moving. Yep, still hear it. Kind of broken up.
just finished going down a pretty steep run on Cat Point Road, and it tees into MV Smith Road, which to the left goes to 15-Mile Creek, but we'll be going right to Terrapin Run. And the DJI Neo 2 is locked in on Micah right now. And right away we learn how easy it is to lose that Neo 2 if it goes by you too quick, or you go by it too quick. But it's pretty cool how it acquires Andrew almost immediately and then follows him down to Terrapin Run. And if he can just get past it to where I can see the back of his head, it'll be good to go. And here you see Jeremiah being the good uncle and giving Andrew a few tips before he goes down. And I don't think this is Andrew's first water crossing, and it shows by how well he handles it. Now Micah is back for his second run, and he's chomping at the bit to get it right this time. Target is acquired, and off he goes. That's exactly what I expected from Mad Max Micah. Now I'm setting the drone to follow Jeremiah while I follow the drone. And as much as I like this 800 DE, its weight can be quite a chore to handle, but it's worth it to me. Well done, Jeremiah, and we are good to go. And here's a time when things don't always go as they were planned, and I wound up losing the drone too. So I had to back this heavy beast in loose gravel, downhill backwards, until the Neo reacquires me. But in the meantime, all the others have left me behind. But that's okay. I'll do a solo uphill climb through the video. I lost about half of my battery for the Neo in those recordings, and I don't know how good or bad that is, but to be on the safe side, I went ahead and replaced it, and it's given us lots of time to wait for Micah to finish his fun stuff. And now let the fun stuff keep going for all of us. When I gave the word ride her down, Jeremiah immediately asked if he was okay. So when I said he was okay, the next thing out of Jeremiah's mouth was, "Did you get it on camera?" And just to let you folks know that if you ever ride with us and you lay your bike down, we do care. So some words of encouragement if you ever decide to ride with us, that if you lay down your bike, we do care. We stopped so the driver of the KLX300 can clear some debris from the bike. But that's whenever Jeremiah realizes that he has snapped one of the bolts off on the bracket that's holding up his foot peg. Fortunately, there's 2 more bolts that are holding it in place, but it has slipped down and he's very uncomfortable with it. So he digs up some handy dandy heavy duty zip ties to try to hold that in place as best as possible. But it does signal the need to wrap the ride up because he can't ride like that all day. But we are going to continue on to the third crossing, which is in Pennsylvania, which is probably where Micah is right now. And then we're going to head back to the Oak Barrel, have something to eat. Now, Jeremiah is going to be behind us, but he's not going to cross the water, so the drone is going to be following me. And the plan is to follow all the way through the crossing and then head back to Oak Barrel. But there are some questions about the speed of this drone, which is rated around 35 miles per hour, that we like to put to the test while doing that. I mean, how else are you going to learn it?